In this video, I'm going to show you what pets do in Grow A Garden in Roblox. So there's now this new update and we have a lot of different pets wandering around, and you may be wondering, what can these pets actually do? So let me tell you and basically show you right now. Now, each of these pets has a unique passive ability, and what this means is that when they're just walking around your garden, basically they can do things, give you mutations and different boosts on your garden. So let's just showcase a few of these. We have a cow over here. Let me click on it, click view. This one basically makes all plants within 8.14 studs to grow 1.12x faster. And these are some random numbers. When these animals actually age, they'll be able to get like these things done quicker, okay? So over here we have the panda. I'm gonna view this one. This one eats a bamboo every 3 minutes for 1.55x value bonus, which means you can sell it for more. And then we have the golden lab over here. If I can not misclick him, where did he go? There we go. So the golden lab, what he can do, let's see. This is a bit messy, okay? Every minute you have a 10% chance to dig up a random seed. So you could basically get a random seed. Now, of course, every single animal in the game has a unique ability. Some are rare, some are more common. Now, the rarest one right now is over here, the dragonfly, and what this can do is every few minutes, it will turn one of your fruits inside your garden golden, okay? Which is actually amazing and very, very overpowered. Then you have this praying mantis over here. What the mantis can do is every few minutes it will pray, and then the nearby crops have a higher chance of actually becoming mutated, etc. Okay, so there's a bunch of different animals. Let me just walk up over here to my neighbors and see if they have anything I don't, so we can showcase that as well. Yeah, they actually do have a rabbit, which I do have as well, but it's not currently placed because you can only have 3 pets at once. Let me just come on, let me click you. This is so messy. It's so hard to click because it just doesn't work. There we go. As you can see, every 44 seconds it eats a carrot for 1.53x value bonus. Okay, let's see if this neighbor, oh, he has a cat. Let me see what the cat does. So it basically every 80 seconds snaps for 10 seconds, and the new fruit within 10 studs will be a bit larger. Okay, this is also quite cool over here. I think he had a duck. There we go. Let me see what this does. Oh, it's a chicken. So it increases egg hatch speed by 10%, which is also amazing. And yeah, so different animals can do different things, but that's not all. So you can do what I just showed you. You can do, basically you can get the abilities from them, but what they can also do is, if I go over here to the shop, to the egg shop, you can see you can also sell your animals. So I have a rabbit over here in my hand. I'm gonna go over here, click on the salesman, how much is this worth? And it's gonna say he'll value it at around 6.7k, which is of course not that great considering I paid 50k for the egg, but of course, what can we do? Now, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if there's something else. Well, what is this? This is a silver monkey, legendary. It has a chance to refund fruit back to your inventory, and rare plants have a lower chance of refund. That's pretty cool as well. Of course, you can then sell it twice or even multiple times if you get lucky enough. So yeah, that's pretty much that. That's what animals do in Grow A Garden for now. I hope this video helped you out. If you know any other abilities, please let us know in the comments down below. We are curious to know what some other rare animals do. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.